Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got two Morrison's blocks. They're both 2 hours long and they're paying £40 each. It's a Sunday morning, there's not much traffic, but it's really rainy. So hi-vis raincoat on and South African rogue hat on to keep the rain off of me. I'll see you when we've loaded up. So we have got a 2, a 7, a 10, a 9 and a 10. So that's 38 bags, 5 stops. We've got 2 10s, a 9, a 7 and a 2. And of course the 2 is the furthest one away. So we're going to Cheltenham and then up to Tewkesbury. At least the drive back will be on the motorway, so I can regen some battery after that. Let's get going. Hello, got your Morrison's for you. I know what's in there, it says fragile though. And I got 5 more to get you. There's actually 6 more. I can't count. There we go, all done for you.
Perfect, thank you.
Thanks, have a nice afternoon. I can't remember if I've showed you my setup. So I have my Amazon app giving me directions there and my Apple CarPlay giving me directions down there on Waze. Hello, got your Morrison's for you. Hello. I've got 4 more to go get for you. There we go, all done for you. Thanks, have a nice afternoon. Bye. Hello. Ooh, got these 5 and I got 5 more to get in. That's right. Yeah. It's a bit difficult to park. No, it's fine. I'll bring him here. Yeah. Elite. Okay. There we go, all done for you. Hello. You don't need a doorbell with him, do you? Him or her? There we go, put them there for you. All done for you, thanks. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, there you go, 2 for you. Thank you, have a nice afternoon. So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block done with 10 minutes to spare. So let's call it 2 hours, £40 for the block, so that's £20 an hour. Last delivery is nice and easy. And now I'm going to head back to Morrison's from the next block, which is in an hour's time. We're about half an hour away. And I'll go back on the motorway and generate some electricity for my battery. See you when I load up again. A 10, a 9 and a 7. So this block is 4 stops. First stop is 16 minutes and 6 miles away, so I'll use electric for that. 2 close together, then 2 a little bit further away, but I'll end up right next to home, so that's cool. Let's go deliver. Just get rest. Hello. Hello. I've got 4 more to get for you. There we go, all done for you. Thank you, have a nice afternoon.
That's it?
Yep, 10 bags.
Cool.
Or
Thanks a lot.
8 bags and 2 lots of bottles, yeah. Thanks. Oops. There we go, all done for you. Cheers. Have a nice afternoon.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi. The voice from above. How are you?
Right, you.
Yeah, not too bad. Got these 9 bags for you.
More bacon this time.
Yeah, they're always random words. It helps us keep them all together. So that, what's that other one got on it? That one's got voted on it. So I know all the bacon bags.
Bakers.
Bacon bags each other. I had snake on it the other day, and the man said he didn't think he ordered snake.
Snake. We are cracks.
Well, you don't really want that, do you? Okay, that one's a bit heavy.
Thank you very much.
Here we go, all done.
Right.
Oh, I have to ask you what year you were born.
A long time ago. 1960.
Super, all done. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Off the dog.
Answer the door right now.
That was quick.
Leave a message. You can do it now.
Hello, got your Morrisons for you.
Lovely, cheers.
I got 3 more to get you.
Alright,
Do-do-do-do. Oop. Got a nice view out here, haven't you? Here we go. All done for you.
Lovely, cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Have a nice afternoon.
Thank you.
So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block completed in an hour. £40 for the block, so that's £40 an hour. Nice. Now you do have to be careful when you swipe to finish with Morrison's, because it normally tells you to go back to the store. I'm a mile away from home and it's 35 minutes back to the store, so if I drive back to the store there won't be any time to make any deliveries. So you have to be a bit crafty when you swipe to finish. You have to make sure that the delivery isn't late, but you don't want to go back to the shop. And you don't want to sit outside somebody's house until you swipe. So a little bit of lateral thinking might be needed. Luckily the rain stayed off, so £40 for an hour. Yeah, it was quite a good block. So if you enjoyed that ride along video, give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to Marvin's Flex Tips for more tips and tricks for doing Amazon Flex. I'll see you next time.